Hello students, this is our chapter 22, Chemical Coordination and Integration. Today we'll be going back exercise. I'll be doing back exercise in brief, rest will do properly in the live class. First question is exocrine gland. These are the glands which discharge their secretions via ducts onto the body surface or into the cavities in the body. And endocrine glands are ductless glands. They pass their secretion into surrounding blood for transport to the site of action. So next is what is hormone. Hormones are basically informational molecules secreted by endocrine glands in one part of the body in response to changes in external or internal environment and carried by blood to another part where they stimulate or inhibit specific physiological processes. Next question is diagrammatically indicate the location of various endocrine glands in our body. This we have done earlier. Next is list the hormones secreted by the following. So this all we have done earlier. What is the hormones of hypothalamus, then pituitary, thyroid, every question we have done. The next question is question number 4. Fill in the blanks. So hormones, then target gland is there. Hypothalamic hormones, target gland is pituitary. Then thyrotrophin, that's a target gland is thyroid. Corticotrophin, then adrenal cortex is there. Then gonadotrophin, it's gonads, testes in males and ovaries in female, and melanotrophic, that's skin. So you can all do this very well. Then the next is write short notes on the functions of the following hormones. Again, this question we have done earlier. Then give examples of hyperglycemic hormone and hypoglycemic hormone. Hyperglycemic hormone means hyperglycemic, which increases the glucose level in the Then it's glucagon, and hypoglycemic is insulin. Then hypercalcemic hormone, it's parathormone, and gonadotropic hormone, it's follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Then progesterone hormone, it's progesterone, and then is blood pressure lowering hormone. It's epinephrine and norepinephrine, released by adrenal medulla. Then androgens and estrogens, these are testosterone and estradiol. So seventh question is, which hormonal deficiency is responsible for the following? First is diabetes mellitus, hormone is insulin. Then goiter, for goiter, thyroxine hormone and triiodothyronine is responsible. And cretinism, for cretinism, thyroxine and triiodothyronine is responsible. Briefly mention the mechanism of action of follicle stimulating hormone. So we have done earlier. Then match the following. T4 is from thyroid gland, and then parathormone is by it's by fourth parathyroid gland, and gonadotropic releasing hormone, it's hypothalamus, released by hypothalamus, and then luteinizing hormone is released by pituitary gland. So you all can do these questions, and if there is any confusion, we'll do in the live class.